I'm gonna drop a serious carrot here about you joining my team as a stylist. Girl, this is not for everyone, and I have no time to chase people around that have no desire to do this. But I will drop some information here for those of you who are interested, or those of you who might have a friend who might be interested. Here's a fun fact. Half the population has boobs. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that sink in for a minute. We're actually a baby company right now, all things considered. There's less than 4,000 of us worldwide, so that means there's one of me for every 36,000 American women, and we haven't even started tapping into the global market. We have a one-of-a-kind patented product, so our market is eons away from being saturated. We can make up to 40% commission plus bonuses and rewards, and our product spans across racial, religious, political, and social boundaries. I can honestly say that in 25 years of dabbling in different direct selling ventures, I have never been able to provide for my family the way I've been able to since joining Ruby Ribbon. Oh, and get this, the cost of joining is probably less than you'd pay for a new outfit. No brainer. So if you're looking for a side hustle, or you're looking for something to completely replace your full-time income and be your own boss, this is an opportunity that's so ground floor and so amazing, you really don't want to pass it up.